Happy Independence Day, ma'am.
Same to you. Thank you.
Good evening, ma'am. Ma'am, I joined now.
Okay. Join now means you're new. Who is speaking?
No, ma'am. Class I joined now.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Ma'am, the link came very late, ma'am. The link was there, but it didn't come.
Yeah, because
Good evening, ma'am.
good evening. There was a test going on, no? That's why we had a test. So we had to give them full time. That's why.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
They had
Good evening, ma'am.
there was a class test.
Ma'am, did you give some instruction?
No, my class test was going on. No, that's why I had to wait. Okay, listen. Last time, what we did, children? What we did last time?
Tense.
Tenses.
Tenses, ma'am.
Tenses. And I think we did.
Tenses, ma'am.
We did lot of
Ma'am,
exercises.
you gave sentences.
Ma'am, the exercise we did till fill in the blank second question.
No, but see, one person talk. Any one person talk. Okay, Disha, can Disha talk? Listen, if I've done tenses, did I do a lot of exercise for y'all?
Yes, ma'am. We completed the first main. We were in second main, second question.
Okay, so today we'll be talking about little more about the tenses. Okay, we'll talk a little more about the tenses. Let everybody come.
Okay, ma'am.
Let everybody come. We'll wait for them first. Yeah.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma. Yes. Tell me.
Ma'am, my name is Surbi. Ma'am, I'm new student.
Oh, hi, Surabhi. Which school you studying?
Ma'am, I'm studying in Ellapur Vishwadarshana School.
Oh, okay, okay. Very good, very good. So, do you know anything about the tenses, Surabhi? We are doing tense. Do you know anything about tense?
Yes, ma'am.
Little bit, you know. Present tense, past tense, future tense. You know a little bit about it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. I'll once again repeat it later when we start off. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Just
Okay,
waiting
ma'am.
for everyone
Ma'am,
to.
that old one, all lessons I should write.
No, not required. Not required.
Okay, ma'am.
If any notes are required, we'll put it later. But I think it's not required. It's just a revision we are doing. Just.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
And
Yeah, ma'am.
today's test is there, ma'am.
Today, yeah. No, I
Yes, ma'am. Today we have preposition.
Preposition
test.
7:30 to 8:30, ma'am. We have preposition.
Yes, ma'am.
preposition you have.
7:30 to 8.
Are you prepared for that?
7:30 to 8:30 we have. Yes, ma'am. I am prepared.
Yes, ma'am.
I have a book,
Ah,
ma'am.
what?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Grammar book.
Grammar book.
English grammar book, ma'am.
Yeah. You're going to. Okay. No, but are you prepared for this thing? Prepositions.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Very easy, no, ma'am.
Yeah. Even Surabhi is writing it. Even Surabhi is writing.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Can I speak? Tarish Raj parent.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Tanish. Tanish.
Ma'am.
Are you prepared for the test, Tanish?
I'm in tests. I can say no tests, ma'am.
You can?
I can't able to see you, ma'am.
1 minute, 1 minute. Just hold on. My internet, it's very unstable. If I put it on, no, it might go off. Anyway, I'll try doing it. 1 second. Can you see me?
Ma'am, test is online. Ma'am, test is online. Sixth Sainik English preposition 21 is online, but we can't attempt it.
Not now, ma. It's at from 7:30. 7:30, ma.
It is scheduled at 7:30. You can only open it at 7:30.
I'm in test. I can't.
7:30 to 8:30.
Okay, listen now.
Yes, 7:30 to 8:30.
Yes, 7:30 to 8:30.
Children, please stop talking. You have anything, raise your hand. Stop talking now. Okay. Just stop talking. Okay.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Yeah.
Was
Yes, ma'am, your voice is
Yes, ma'am.
breaking.
Your voice is breaking.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Your voice breaking.
If one person tells me my voice is breaking, I can understand. These required everybody has to tell me.
Stuck.
Okay, can you see this thing? Can you see the board? Can you all see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We can see your screen.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, we can. Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am,
we
should
can
we
see.
write along with you?
Yeah, children,
Which you're typing?
children, all of you all mute yourself. Children, all of you all mute yourself. All of you,
Can I speak, ma'am?
all of you mute yourself, please. A lot of,
Harish Raj parent, can I speak, ma'am? I have some notes.
yeah, tell me. Tell me, ma'am. Please tell me.
Can I speak in Kannada? Kannada?
ಹೇಳಿಪ್ಪ.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಈಗ ಲೇಟ್ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ವಾ,
ಹೌದು.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಲೆಸನ್ಸ್ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ, ಅದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಾ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೊಂದು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಮತ್ತೆ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ನೀವು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ಗೂ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಹಾ.
ಇದು ಅದು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಜನರಲ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಜನರಲ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಅಂತ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಎರಡು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಇದು ಇವಾಗ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಫೇರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ, ಅದು ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇದೆ. ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ತರ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ, ಅದು ಸರಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನನ್ಗೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್,
ಈಗ ಲೇಟ್ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಒಂದ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ, ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ತಿಶಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ಶಿಫಾಲಿ ಅಂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನ್ ಬೇಕೋ ಅದು. ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತನಿಷ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ಹೇಳಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ರಿವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು, ಮುಂಚೆಯಿಂದ ರಿವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ
ವಾಯ್ಸ್
ಇರೋದು.
ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಈಗ ಸರಿನಾ? ಈಗ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿದ್ಯಾ? ಓಕೆ.
ಹೇಳಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಅದೇ, ಈಗ ನಾನು ಗ್ರಾಮರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಂಚೆಯಿಂದ ರಿವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬಂದು ನೀವು ತಿಶಾ ಹತ್ರ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅವ್ರ ಫೋನ್ ಅವ್ರು ಇದ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟರ್ಸ್, ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಮಾವತಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಕೇಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಹತ್ರ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್
ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಂದು ಬರೀ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾ ಬರೀ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ರಿವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ
ವಾಯ್ಸ್
ಇದ್ದೀನಿ,
ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಮುಂಚೆಯಿಂದ ರಿವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. Okay, so ಅದೇನ್
Yes, Uma ma'am, Tisha here. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yes, Tisha here. Yes, what's the issue, ma'am?
She's telling.
Yes, what's the issue?
Tanish's mother is asking about other subjects. I said ask her to talk to you.
Okay. I will call once test is done. I will call. Tanishk, right? I will call.
ತರೀಶ್, TAREESH, ತರೀಶ್.
ತರೀಶ್ ಇವ್ರು ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಓಕೆ,
ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ತರ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ಟಡಿ
ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಗೂ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗೂ ಡಿಫರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅದು ಯಾವ ತರ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಖಂಡಿತ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ.
Call
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Okay, children, all of you all mute yourself. Any doubt, anything, raise your hand. Okay, just listen now. Just please keep listening. Okay, we spoke about present. This is for Surabhi. She joined today. Present tense. So then the second one is past tense. And the next one is future.
You have to write it
Future
down.
tense.
No, don't write. Future tense. Okay. Now I'll call out someone's name. Only that person has to give me a sentence. Nobody else will tell. Sujit, give me a sentence for present tense fast.
Present tense. We are playing.
Okay. Tarish, give me a sentence for past tense.
Ma'am, your video is stuck.
Ma'am, your video and audio is stuck.
Hear me?
Ma'am, you have frozen.
Okay.
Ma'am, your presentation, audio, video, everything is stuck.
Ma'am, it's coming like you have a bad network.
Okay, be
It's
quiet.
showing red color.
Children, please be quiet. One person can talk. If you repeat the same thing, everybody repeating same thing is waste of time. I'm asking something to Tarish. Tarish, give me a sentence for past tense. Is Tarish there? Tarish. Okay, Surabhi, give me a sentence for past tense.
Yes, ma'am.
Give me a sentence. One sentence. Sir.
Gone for village yesterday.
I went to my village last week. Okay. Next is Kushwant. Give me a sentence for future tense.
I will play after 10 a.m.
I will play after 10 a.m. Okay. Surabhi, are you there? Surabhi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, there are three tenses. The basic three sentences are present tense. ING will be there. We are playing. Past tense. I went to my village. Action has already happened. I went to my village last week. Future tense. I will play. Will play will come. Anything will be, will play will come in future tense. Today we are going to talk little more about tenses. Okay. For example, continuous. Like first is present.
I should write this, ma'am.
Yeah, right. Present continuous tense. Continuous, present continuous tense. Now what happens here, I'll tell you.
Ma'am, we have to start writing from present continuous tense, right?
Yes, ma. Yes. Okay, I'll just show you in a small line how it differs. You just follow that. Please look on top, all of you. See here, for example, action has happened here. For example, some action has happened here. I talk to you, I come and talk to you when you are here. And what happens? The action, for example, what can we say? I am reading a book. So what happens when I come and talk to you, the action is happening. Like I am reading a book. So at present, at this moment, I am reading. So this becomes present continuous tense.
Ma'am, you have written I am reading a booking.
Sorry. I'll check it out, man, please. I'm typing, I'm doing everything together. No, that's why. Present continuous tense. Now the same thing if I have to, let us say, I'll just remove this line. I wanted to draw something, but I couldn't. Okay. Okay, fine. The next one is, next sentence. If it is going to be past, so past continuous would be last week. This time, oh my God. Last week, this time, I was traveling to my village. So here, can you see ing in the past tense here? There is ing in the past tense. So actually, I told you, what did I tell you that time? Only in present tense, you get an ing. But here, what is happening? There is a past ing in the past tense. Why? Because we are talking about continuous tense. We are going to talk about continuous tense. So it's going to be ing will be there last week, this time. So only last week will show that it is a past tense. I was traveling. I was traveling will show you that it was continuous. I was traveling for some time. That is what it denotes. The third one. Oh, what was the sentence? Next week, by this time, I will be flying. In the sense, I'll be in the flight. Okay, so here ing is again not next turn. Ing is not there, but next week by this time, I will be flying. So flying, in flying, there is ing. So here also, there is ing used. Please understand one thing is, the first one is present tense, continuous, present continuous. Continuous.
Ma'am, you're writing that 2 times.
Oh, sorry. I didn't know I wrote it. Okay, next one is past continuous. Okay, I won't write it fully, please understand. And the third one is future continuous.
Ma'am, I did not understand the difference between present continuous tense and present tense.
Who's speaking? Can you tell me your name and talk, please?
Ma'am, Aniket.
Aniket, see, listen. Now, here what I'm trying to tell you, I'm removing which is not required, unnecessary things, so you don't get confused. 1 second. See.
No, ma'am, I understood the difference between past continuous tense and future tense continuous tense from past tense and future tense. Only present continuous tense.
I'm reading a book. At this moment, what are you doing? Aniket, what are you doing now? What are you doing?
Writing. I'm writing.
That is present tense. Aniket is writing now. That is present tense. If you say...
Yes, ma'am, but present continuous tense and present tense, I did not understand difference.
Oh my God. Listen, you didn't understand the difference, miss. That's what I'm trying to tell you, Aniket. ING, when there is an ING, that's what I'm saying. In a continuous, ING shows that before I asked you the question also, you were reading a book. When I came and asked you the question also, you were reading a book. That continuity is shown. The continuity is shown. That's why I say present continuous tense. You got it, ma? Did you get it? Anything?
Yes, ma'am, I got present continuous tense. But in present tense also there's ING, and in present continuous tense also there's ING.
What is the problem now? Any problem in that? There's no problem.
No, ma'am, I did not understand how will you find out if it's present tense or present continuous tense.
Okay, we'll do some examples and find out. Okay, at least write this down now.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, my name is Surbi.
Yeah, tell me, ma.
Ma'am, you wrote next week by this time I will be flying.
Yeah, next week this time. By this time means, suppose today is Tuesday. Next Tuesday, I will be in a flight. I will be flying. That's what I meant. Flight means I'll be in a flight. I'll be traveling by plane.
Okay, ma'am.
When you go, what do you say? Are you flying today? That's what they say, na? When you're going by flight or something. That's the other word. That's colloquial. Like the other word of saying I'm going by plane. Okay. Surabhi, did you understand?
Yes.
We'll be doing some more examples. Aniket, I'll do some more examples. That time you check out. Okay. Fine, Aniket.
Okay, ma'am.
We'll do some examples. Okay. Only thing what I'm trying what I'm telling is, okay.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
I know that, but I can't help. There is no current in my house and there is a problem. The internet is very unstable. I can't help it, children. That's why I'm going to type now. You'll just go on typing what I'm typing. I'll explain to you. Okay, children? There's a current issue.
Okay, ma'am.
That's why. Okay.
Ma'am, finished writing.
Okay, fine. I'll just give you some sentence. I'm just seeing for that. 1 minute. Because last time we did some sentences in the same book. So I'm just trying to find something new.
Miss, finished writing, miss.
Okay, good. Okay, fine. Now, okay, I'll go on calling your names. Can you all give me one sentences? It's better that way. At least you all will understand. Okay, give me one sentences. Each one I'll go on calling.
Ma'am, I will give, ma'am.
Listen. Whoever it is, I don't want anybody talking. Please mute yourself. All of you mute yourself. I'll call out. I will call out. Okay. Preetham, give me a sentence. Present tense.
Present tense, no, ma'am.
Yeah.
I am writing the classwork.
I am writing the homework.
The classwork.
Classwork or homework, whatever. Okay. Now,
Okay, ma'am.
how will we convert this into past continuous?
Ma'am, should we write this?
Yeah. I was writing the classwork or homework, whatever. Okay. How would I make it a future tense? I will be writing
the homework.
the classwork, whatever, homework or classwork, whatever. Okay. Now, Bhakti, give me a sentence. One sentence.
Ma'am, like what, ma'am?
Give me a sentence.
Present, ma'am.
Yeah.
Present.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I am drinking coffee.
I am drinking coffee. Okay. So past tense would be, past continuous would be, I
was
drinking
I was drinking coffee.
coffee yesterday evening. Future would be, I will be
drinking
coffee tomorrow,
Evening.
tomorrow morning. So what is happening here is, children, listen, there is not much difference between present tense, simple present tense, and present continuous tense, because in both the sentences there will be ing. So there's not much difference, but the difference is seen in past continuous and future continuous. Okay. Present, simple present.
Your voice is
Okay, simple.
Your voice is breaking.
Children, one person can tell me, I can hear it. One person only enough.
Your voice is breaking.
Ma'am, your eyes is breaking.
Okay. Kushal, give me a sentence.
Ma'am,
Kushal, give me a sentence.
ma'am, I was completed my homework.
I am.
What?
I am present tense. I am completing my
Homework.
homework is already over, no? My work.
Work.
Past tense would be I completed.
Complete.
Ma'am, I was completed my homework yesterday.
I was.
No, I was completed my homework.
I was completing my homework.
Children.
Completing, ma'am.
Listen, children, I'm talking to one.
Completed.
Please, one person should speak. Only one person.
Ma'am, it is I completed my work.
Children, please listen to me. You all can mute. All of you mute yourself. All of you mute yourself. When I call out your name only, you will talk to me. Okay, listen. I am completing my work is present continuous. I was completing my work last evening. I will be completing.
I will complete my homework.
I will be completing my work.
Ma'am, we forgot to add be. Ma'am, but all these sentences you're writing in continuous tense, right?
Yes, all are in continuous. I'm just showing you how it differs. Simple present and simple continuous, present continuous will be somewhat similar. It will be same. But other
Present continuous?
Ma'am, how to find it is continuous?
when you use ing, it shows continuous. When you
Okay, ma'am.
use
Ma'am,
ing,
but in future tense and present tense, you will use ing.
haven't I used ing in the past also?
Yes, ma'am, that's in continuous, but in normal, you will be using ing in present and future. So both will be like continuous.
Yes.
Both will be like
Yes,
continuous tense.
yes,
only.
yes, yes. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Yes.
So how to find out at that time? How to find out?
What is there to find out? Aniket, please understand one thing. You remove what is there in your mind and understand. I am shows present tense. I was shows past tense. I will shows future tense. What else you want to find out? What else you want to find out? What are you trying to find out? Tell me. There's nothing to.
If it is present continuous tense or present tense.
That's what, when ing is there, it's understood it is continuous tense. Present continuous. It is understood. See here, one thing I'm telling you, most of the present, simple present will be the sun rises. That's all. The continuous will be the sun is rising. That's all is the difference. Hari plays is a simple present. Hari is playing in the ground is a continuous. That's how you have to identify, Ma. That is how you have to identify. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So I will be completing my work next week. Okay, Aniket, give me a sentence.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I will give ma'am.
What I say, who is Aniket? Who is Aniket here? Aniket,
Preeti.
Aniket, give me a sentence.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, ma'am, I am going to school.
I am going to school. Okay. I was going to school. The only difference in past will be you'll have to add up something. Last year, something like that. And here, I will be going to school from June. That's it. That is the only thing.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Dhriti, give me a sentence.
Ma'am, the sun is rising.
Okay, 1 minute. I just make some space. 1 minute. Hold on.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, do we have to write all this?
No, whoever wants to write can write. If you want to write, you can write. Not a problem. Okay, the sun is
Rising.
sun is rising in the east. I'll put.
Yes,
Go on.
ma'am.
Okay. Past would be
The sun was rising yesterday.
no. The sun rose early yesterday. That means the the rising of the sun was early yesterday. Next day,
Ma'am, the sun will be rising
at 6:30 p.m.
Ma'am, I have one more.
And there is not add ing in second one.
Ma'am, it's
Ma'am,
AM.
The sun is rising in the east. The sun rose early yesterday.
Ma'am, in the past tense, there's no past continuous tense, there's no ing.
Okay. Okay, then I'll have to put as rising only. The sun will be rising at 6:30 tomorrow. Okay, then I'll put it here as the sun was rising very beautifully. I have to change it a little bit beautifully yesterday. Okay.
Ma'am, you have wrote 6:30 p.m. Ma'am, it should be a.m. No.
Oh, sorry. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Yeah. Okay, fine. Children, can I erase it? Children, can I erase it?
No, ma'am.
I have a doubt.
Ma'am, can you erase everything except the sun is rising? That
Okay. I'll erase this and I'll start writing little by little. I'll erase. Okay.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yeah. Tell ma.
And can I ask it?
Yeah, ma. I told you. No, tell.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Oh, sorry,
in
sorry.
the-
Okay, tell me.
The sun, when in the past tense, the sun rose early in the morning yesterday.
Yeah.
You can't write it in past tense continuous tense, that exact sentence, right?
No, so that's why I changed it to rising, because certain times the grammatically it won't sit. That's the reason you need to little bit change here and there. Of course, all the continuous tenses will have ing. There's no doubt about it. But certain times grammatically it doesn't sit properly. That's the reason. Okay,
ma'am.
Karthik, give me a sentence.
Yes, ma'am.
Give me a sentence, Karthik.
I will be drinking water.
I will be drinking.
Ma'am, I did not write the sun was rising, ma'am.
It's okay, leave it. You can write something
Ma'am,
else.
Ma'am, I was having a nice example.
Wait. Karthik, second one, past tense.
Past.
I was drinking water.
The water.
I was
Water.
drinking water in the car. Something like that. Change little bit. Okay. Next tomorrow,
Okay.
I will be drinking water.
Ma'am, I said it first.
Ma'am, that is done.
Ma'am, that is done.
Drinking. Ma'am,
What?
I will be drinking.
I
Done.
will be drinking.
Ma'am,
is
I
done,
will be
ma'am.
drinking is also future. I will be drinking water.
Ma'am, it is. Ma'am, I am drinking.
Ma'am, I'm.
Okay. See, if you all talk together, it's really confusing to me. I don't know. I'm not able to think anything and talk because everybody starts shouting. I don't know what to talk at all. Hardik, give me a distinct sentence.
Ma'am, the water is.
Huh?
Ma'am, I am pouring the water.
Tell something else. No, you don't have any other sentence.
Ma'am, please, can I tell ma'am?
Hardik. Is Hardik there?
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Hardik, give me a good sentence. I don't want a drinking or this thing and all, pouring and all.
Ma'am, no. Ma'am, Adarsh, can I say? The
Oh,
car is going speed.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am, Adarsh, can I say?
children, Adarsh, I'll give you a chance.
Ma'am,
Just
the
wait.
car is going speed.
That's not the sentence like that. That's not a grammatical sentence. The car is speeding. Okay, means it's going
Speeding?
fast. Speeding means going very fast. Okay. The car was speeding yesterday on the highway. Okay, then tomorrow.
Ma'am, your screen is lagged.
There's some
No, ma'am, it's proper.
children, either write it or think of some nice sentence. I told you my internet connection is not stable, so don't keep talking about the same thing. Please, tomorrow in the race, the car will be, who's that? Speeding at 100 kilometers per hour.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, the car was speeding yesterday also on the highway that will come.
Yes, ma. Speeding means going very fast. So the car is speeding is just a sentence. It's a present sentence. Okay, that is one thing. The car was speeding yesterday on the highway. Tomorrow in the race, the car will be speeding at 100 kilometers per hour. Okay, Adarsh, tell me. Adarsh,
I was going to mall.
Hmm?
I was going to mall.
I am. Kushal, are you at this thing, Kushal?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you studying with me, writing with me, or you're somewhere outside? Please don't play around and all, try to put the video on. You're disturbing everybody. Okay, tell me, Adarsh, I am?
I'm going to mall.
I am going to the mall. Okay, what will the past tense be? I go will become went. I went to the mall. Then future will be
Ma'am, ing you did not
ing.
add, ma'am.
because go becomes went. Okay, you want ing?
Ma'am, ing will not.
It can't come anyway. One
Ma'am, I
minute.
was going to. Ma'am, I was going to the
I
mall.
was
Ma'am, I was. Ma'am, I was.
Ma'am, I was
going
going
to
to
was
the mall
going to the mall.
yesterday. I was going to the mall yesterday.
Ma'am, two space between going and to.
Ma'am, was going. The sentence will not be proper, no, ma'am.
See, I told you it's a present continuous tense. If you want to use ing in the present, you have to use it like that. You can't change grammar the way you want.
Ma'am, in future tense, I will be going to the mall will come.
Anuta, what's the name? Anjuta. Give me a sentence.
Yes, ma'am. I am playing cricket.
Playing cricket.
I was playing cricket.
Not I was. That will become past tense. So you have to show ing. So I was playing cricket.
I will be going.
Yesterday.
Ma'am, I will play.
I will
Ma'am, yesterday's spelling is
be
wrong.
playing.
Yesterday.
I will be playing
Ma'am,
cricket.
Instead of
I
going,
will-
it's wrong.
I will
I
be.
will be playing cricket.
Afternoon.
Okay. Abhirami, are you there? Abhirami? Dhriti, you got a chance?
Yes, ma'am, I got the chance.
Okay. Abhirami, are you there?
Ma'am, can I say? My name is Disha.
Yeah, tell me, Rishi.
I am going to play badminton in the ground.
Ma'am, can I say next?
Ma'am, ing.
Ma'am, I was going to play badminton in the ground on last Sunday.
That's okay. Now you are. Tell me a past tense.
I was going to play badminton last Sunday.
Okay.
Ma'am,
I will be going to play badminton tomorrow, 8 o'clock.
Yeah. Children, did you all write this?
Can I say now?
Wait, let me erase.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Let me erase this. There is no space. I will write. Ask you. Just hold on 1 minute. Can I erase it?
Ma'am?
Can I erase it?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, just
Yes,
a
ma'am, I
second,
have the
ma'am.
doubt in the badminton one. Ma'am, I have the doubt in the badminton one.
What is it?
Ma'am, shouldn't playing have the ing? Should play have the ing?
Going is there, no? ing is there.
Oh,
and
that's
going.
okay, ma'am. I thought the verb had to have the. I thought verb had to have ing.
Nothing. Listen,
Ma'am, you're not asking me.
I will ask you after this. Next, I'll ask you. What's your name?
Ma'am, Preeti.
Okay, I'll ask you 1 minute. Shall I erase now? Shall I rub it? All I've written?
Ma'am, we have to write.
Okay, leave it now. It's okay. You can make your own sentences, not a problem. People who don't know, I'm just writing. It's okay. Whoever wants to write can write. Okay, next. Preeti, tell me.
Ma'am, I am playing cricket in the ground.
Preeti, see, we are tired of this playing, drinking, reading. Can you make something else, ma, please? Can you think of any other sentence?
Okay, ma'am.
Please.
I am drinking. I am drinking juice. I am drinking juice.
Okay.
I was drinking juice yesterday. And I will be drinking juice last Sunday.
No. Next Sunday. Future tense.
Next Sunday.
Okay. Fine. Next, somebody else wanted to tell. Please, children.
Can I tell, ma'am? I didn't get a chance. Can I tell? I didn't get a chance.
I'll call one by one.
I didn't get
One-
a chance.
One
Ma'am,
by-
can I tell ma'am I never got a chance?
One by one. One by one.
Ma'am, I didn't get a chance, ma'am. This is Amoga.
Can you all mute yourself? Can you all mute yourself? Too much noise. Please mute yourself, all of you. It's too much noise. I will call out the names. Okay, Shreyas, tell me this thing. Shreyas.
I am stapling the paper.
Okay.
I was stapling the paper. Happened yesterday.
Half and back. Okay. Future. I said, please mute.
I will be stapling the paper tomorrow. Tomorrow morning.
Children, mute yourself. Please mute yourself.
Ma'am, it's Preeti.
Ma'am, it is Preeti. Ma'am, it is Preeti Mahesh.
Children,
Ma'am, can I answer?
children, 1 second. All
Ma'am, my name is Disha. Can I answer?
I will call out your names. Please mute yourself, all of you. There's too much of background noise. I can't bear it anymore. Please mute yourself, all of you. I will call out. Yeah, Risha, tell me.
My friend is no, ma'am. I am going to. I am singing.
Ma'am, Disha got over, ma'am.
Ma'am, Disha got 2 chances.
I am singing.
Risha, you got 2 chances.
Yes, ma'am.
No, let everybody get a chance. Okay, Amoga, tell. Amoga,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I am drawing a picture.
Okay.
I was drawing a picture an hour back.
Okay.
I will be drawing a picture.
Okay. Next, Rochan. Rochan, give me this. Rochan.
ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ನಾನು ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ನನಗೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
Who is that? Whose house is that?
Ma'am, it is Amoga.
Amoga.
Ma'am, Amoga it is.
Amoga.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
ಫೋನ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಬೂಸ್ಟ್ ಅದು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ
Amoga.
Disha here. Everyone, ma'am. Ma'am, it is Amoga. Can you hear me? Ma'am, it's Amoga Anil Kumar.
Uma, ma'am, me Tisha here.
Yeah, ma.
Okay, ma'am, you can mute all the students, ma'am. It's too much. This one is
I know, because you see what happens is I want them to answer and I told them to raise the hand, they're raising the hand. But when other students have answered, their house noise is heard, ma. That is the
Okay,
problem.
no, ma'am, one by one you can unmute them, ma'am. Like whoever having doubts, no, you can unmute like one by one. No need to all of them. No need to ask once
know.
time.
No, I'm
Okay,
not asking
one
one
by
time.
one
I'll
they
just
can
do that.
answer.
Okay, fine. I'll do
Huh?
that. Yeah.
Yeah, you have to unmute all, and one by whoever having doubt, you have to unmute them.
Okay, okay, fine.
It's really not a good manner. Like too much. Yeah,
Too
you
much
cannot
noise.
take class if
Yeah, correct, correct.
I'll
do that.
You
I'll do
mute
that.
all of them. Yeah.
Children, 1 minute. Hold on, children. Please hold on. Please hold on 1 minute.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, Preeti Mahesh has unmuted her.
Preetham, please don't unmute wantedly.
Hello. Swarali? Dishant, are you there? Dishant?
I was cycling. I am cycling.
Who is speaking? What's your name?
I'm Dishant.
Dishant. Okay, fine. 1 minute. 1 minute. I'll start typing. Just wait. Okay. Yeah, Dishant, tell me. I was. Dishant, can you hear me? Dishant? Dishant, can you hear me?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Okay, type. Okay, okay, fine.
I am cycling.
I am cycling
On the ground.
on the ground. Okay.
I was cycling.
I was cycling
On the ground yesterday.
yesterday. Okay.
I will be cycling.
I will be cycling.
Next week.
Cycling on the ground next week. Okay. In case you want it like that. Okay. Now, okay, fine. Mute yourself now. Next. Sai? Sai, are you there? Sai?
Yes, ma'am.
Give me a sentence.
Yes, ma'am. I am going to park.
I am going to park. Okay.
I was going to park.
Last week. Okay.
I will be going to park tomorrow.
Okay, fine. Okay, children,
Thank you,
just okay. Welcome. All of you are just write down this. Whatever is there, just write down. Have you written down, all of you all? Have you all written? Are you writing, children? Prajwal,
Yes, ma'am.
give me a sentence. Give me a sentence, Prajwal.
Yes, ma'am. I am going to mall.
That's over, no ma? Something else? That's already over. Give me another sentence.
I am driving car.
One. I am
Driving car.
car. Okay.
I was driving car yesterday.
Okay. Future.
I will be driving a car tomorrow.
Okay, fine. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I think it's time up now. I'll be closing the class. Bye, everybody. Bye, all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, bye.
I'm down.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
I'm down.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.